Welcome back to ENGLIVO English. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Eric. We are really happy you're here with us today. Thank you for spending time with us.
This channel is all about real, everyday English. Simple English. Fun English. English you can really use in your life.
And today's topic is a fun one, a super fun topic. Today we are talking about hobbies.
Hobbies are the things we do for fun, for joy, for relaxing. Not for work, not for school. Just for you.
So, in this episode, we will talk about our hobbies, learn hobby words, learn some useful sentences, and at the end, we will ask you a question.
All right, let's get started. So, Eric, how are you today? How are you feeling?
I'm great, Rachel. Really great. The weather is sunny, warm, just perfect. It feels like a nice hobby day.
Nice. I'm feeling really good too. Relaxed and happy. Ready to talk about hobbies.
Good to hear that, Rachel. So, tell me, what did you do this weekend? Anything fun?
This weekend? Oh, yes. I went to a cafe with my friend Anna. We talked, we laughed, we tried a new caramel latte. So good.
A cafe day. That sounds really relaxing. Soft, cozy, warm.
Yes, it was exactly what I needed.
Perfect. A cozy cafe weekend for you.
And what about you, Eric? What did you do?
I played football with my local club. It was crazy fun, super energetic. I ran a lot. Now my legs are tired.
I can imagine. You always get so excited when you talk about football.
Of course. Football is life, Rachel.
So true. Different weekends. A quiet cafe for me, a loud football field for you.
Different vibes, same happiness.
Okay, Eric, let's start. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
My hobbies. Let me think. I really like playing video games.
Video games? Oh, interesting. What kind of video games, Eric?
I like adventure games. Games with a story, a big, exciting story. I usually play for 1 or 2 hours in the evening.
That sounds fun. I don't play video games much. Is it difficult?
Sometimes it's difficult, yes. But it's super fun. It's like reading a story, but you are inside the story, like you are part of it.
Oh, I see. That sounds cool. Do you play with friends?
Yes. Sometimes I play online with my friends. We talk, we laugh, we play together. It's a really good way to relax.
Ah, so it's a social hobby too, not just games. You connect with people.
Exactly.
All right, Eric, now my turn. One of my hobbies is shopping.
Shopping, huh? Nice. What kind of shopping do you like, Rachel?
I love shopping for clothes, cute clothes, and sometimes small things like notebooks or candles, little things that make me happy.
I get it. So you like feel-good shopping. Does it help you relax?
Yes, totally. When I'm stressed, I just walk around the mall, I look at clothes, I try something on. I don't always buy something, but the feeling is really nice.
Do you go shopping every week?
Not every week, maybe 2 or 3 times a month. If I go too often, my wallet cries.
Yes, shopping can be dangerous for your money, but it's a fun hobby. I think many people enjoy it.
Exactly. And shopping with friends is even more fun. We talk, we try clothes, we drink a little bubble tea.
That sounds great, Rachel. Maybe one day you can help me choose some stylish clothes.
Of course, Eric. I'll be your personal shopper.
Okay, Rachel, we talked about weekend hobbies. Now let's talk about active hobbies. Hobbies where you move your body.
Good idea. Do you have any active hobbies, Eric?
Oh, yes. I definitely do. I really love hiking.
Hiking? Real hiking? Like real mountains?
Yes. Real mountain hiking, not small hills. I mean tall mountains.
Tall mountains. Wait, are we talking Instagram hiking or actual backpack, sweat, tired legs hiking?
Actual hiking. Backpack, sweat, heavy breathing, sore legs, the full experience.
Wow! And what is the best part?
The best part is reaching the top. I love camping on the peak. Just me, a tent, and the sky full of stars.
Camping on the top of a mountain. That sounds magical. Magical, but a little scary. Do you feel nervous sometimes?
Yes, I did, especially the first time. It was cold and windy, and I thought an animal was trying to steal my snacks, but it was just my backpack falling over.
That's funny.
But watching the sunrise from the summit, the whole sky turning orange, it's something you never forget.
I can imagine that. The quiet, the fresh air, the feeling of freedom. That must be why you love it so much.
Exactly. It's like my mind becomes clean. No noise, no stress, just nature and my tired legs.
The tired legs part is important. But wow, Eric, you're really adventurous. I don't think I could climb a big mountain like that.
Oh, come on, Rachel. You have energy. I've seen you dance.
Ah, yes. Speaking of dancing, that is my active hobby, my favorite one.
Tell me more. What kind of dancing do you do?
I do modern dance, sometimes hip-hop, sometimes K-pop. I go to a dance studio near my house. When the music starts, I feel like everything else disappears. Just me, the rhythm, and the big mirror in front of me.
Nice. So you dance to relax.
Relax and express myself. When I'm stressed, I dance harder. When I'm happy, I dance brighter. And sometimes I dance just because it's fun, like super fun.
I can imagine you doing a dramatic hair flip in the studio.
Oh, yes, I do that, but only when no one's watching.
Dancing sounds like great exercise, too.
It is. After class, I'm always tired but happy. On weekends, sometimes I practice for 1 or 2 hours. It's like meditation, but with sweat and loud music.
I love that. Meditation with sweat.
You should try dancing with me one day.
Maybe I will, but I need to stretch first, or I might break like a dry noodle.
Good idea, Eric. We don't want any noodle injuries.
Agreed. Safety first.
Okay, Eric. We talked about active hobbies. Now let's talk about calm hobbies, quiet hobbies, peaceful hobbies.
Oh yes, calm hobbies are important too. One of my calm hobbies is drinking tea.
Drinking tea? That sounds cozy. Really cozy. What do you like about it, Eric?
I like the slow moment, the quiet moment. I sit down, I breathe, I drink warm tea, green tea, black tea, peppermint tea. I love them all.
Wow, you are a real tea expert. Do you drink tea every day?
Almost every day, yes. In the evening, I make a small cup. It helps me relax.
That sounds really nice. I also have a calm hobby. I like drawing.
Drawing. That's wonderful, Rachel. What do you like to draw?
I like drawing simple things. Flowers, cups, little houses. Nothing big, nothing fancy. Just small, cute drawings that make me happy.
That's beautiful, Rachel. Drawing is a hobby that lets you slow down and enjoy the moment.
Exactly. When I'm drawing, I feel calm. I don't think too much. I just draw. One line, then another line.
I love that. You know, I also enjoy reading as a quiet hobby. Not big books, sometimes just short stories or little poems.
Poems? Oh, that's lovely. Do they help you relax too?
Yes. A short poem before bed feels like a soft good night in my mind. It helps me sleep.
I like that. Maybe I should try reading something calm before bed too. Not the news.
No. News is not relaxing.
You're right. Calm hobbies are important. They help us slow down, breathe, and enjoy the small things.
Exactly. Not everything has to be fast or loud. Sometimes quiet is the best hobby.
So, Eric, our hobbies are a little different, right? You like hiking, tea time, and video games. I like shopping and dancing and drawing.
Yes, we're different, but that's the fun part. Different hobbies make life interesting, really interesting.
True. Do you have any creative hobbies, Eric?
A creative hobby. Let me think. Oh, yes. I like cooking.
Cooking? Wow, that's a super useful hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like to bake. Baking means making cakes, cookies, bread, all the sweet things.
I love cookies. What is your favorite thing to bake?
My favorite? Chocolate chip cookies. Easy and very, very delicious.
Now I'm hungry. Really hungry, Eric.
What about you, Rachel? Do you cook real food or only in your dreams?
Hey, I cook dinner almost every day. But for fun, I like to try new recipes. Last week, I made Italian pasta. It was really good.
Oh, I think you're a good cook.
Thank you.
My cooking is not so good.
What can you cook?
I can cook eggs, I can make toast, and I can make instant noodles.
Eric, that is not cooking. That is preparing food quickly.
I know. Maybe you can teach me how to cook one day.
Of course. Another hobby I have, I like listening to music.
Oh, yes. Everyone likes music. What kind of music do you like, Rachel?
I like pop music and calm piano music. Sometimes I dance to pop. Sometimes I draw with soft piano.
Nice combo. Do you play any instruments?
A little. I play the piano. Simple songs, slow songs.
That's amazing. Very different from my video games.
All hobbies are good if you enjoy them, Eric.
You're right.
Let's talk about hobbies that don't cost a lot of money.
Good point. Some hobbies can be expensive, but many hobbies are cheap or free.
For example, walking in nature. Walking is free, 100% free, and very healthy.
Reading can be cheap too. You can use a library or read free stories online.
Listening to music can be cheap. Drawing is also cheap. You only need a pencil and paper.
Yes, drawing is a great cheap hobby. I used to draw when I was a child.
Were you good at it?
No, I was terrible. My dogs looked like potatoes.
Well, potatoes are cute, but you're right. The important thing is to have fun, not to be the best.
Exactly. Enjoy your time.
Now, let's teach some key words from today. Let's keep it simple.
First word, hobby. What is a hobby, Rachel?
A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time, not for work, not for school. You do it because you enjoy it.
For example, my hobby is dancing. My hobby is reading.
Or, my hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
Next word, relax.
To relax means to rest and become calm, not stressed, not worried.
Example, after work, I play a game to relax. I drink tea and relax.
Next word, creative.
Creative means you use your imagination. You make something new, like painting, drawing, writing stories, making music, or cooking new recipes.
Example, drawing is a creative hobby. Cooking can be creative too.
Next word, skill.
Skill is an ability, something you can do well. You learn it, you practice it.
Example, cooking is a skill. Speaking English is a skill. I want to improve my English skills.
Next word, improve.
To improve means to get better, little by little.
Example, I want to improve my drawing. I listen to ENGLIVO English to improve my English.
Last word, passion.
Passion means something you really, really love. A strong hobby in your heart.
Example, cooking is my passion. Learning English is my passion.
Okay, everyone. Now it is time for our question of the day.
Were you ready? Today's question is very simple, very personal. We really want to know about you.
Today's question is, what is your hobby? What do you do for fun?
Yes, tell us what you enjoy doing. Maybe you like listening to music. Maybe you like playing football. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you like drawing or shopping or hiking.
Or maybe you have a very unique and interesting hobby. We want to know everything. Don't be shy.
For example, if I write in the comments, I would say, "Hello, my name is Eric. My hobbies are playing video games and hiking. I also like drinking tea. What about you?
And I would write, "Hi, I'm Rachel. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, and shopping. I also like calm reading before bed. Tell me your hobby below."
See? It's very easy. You can write a short sentence or a long paragraph.
And yes, we read your comments. We really do. We love reading about your life and your hobbies.
And if you don't have a hobby yet, you can write, "I don't have a hobby yet, but I want to try."
And tell us which hobby you want to try. Maybe your new hobby can be learning English.
You can say, "My new hobby is learning English with ENGLIVO English."
We would love that. But remember, any hobby is great if it makes you happy.
Before we go, one more small thing. If you enjoyed this episode,
Please hit the like button and click subscribe and the little bell icon.
that way you never miss our next conversation.
It really helps our channel grow, and it helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for practicing your English today. You are amazing for learning and listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with your hobbies.
That's all for today.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time on ENGLIVO English.